know, the H-1B Visa Canada program is a special work opportunity for people who currently hold an H-1B visa in the US. It offers job options, family benefits, and career flexibility. I'm Sam, and in this video, I'm gonna tell you all about this visa. Before getting started, like this video and subscribe for more visa updates. First, let me make it clear for you. The H-1B Visa Canada program allows people with an H-1B visa in the US to move to Canada and work. It offers more job flexibility, freedom to change employers, and family benefits like healthcare. So if you have an H-1B visa in the US, this is an easy way for you to build a better career and life in Canada. Let's see who makes a strong candidate when it comes to Canada H-1B visa. Tech professionals in software development, engineers in civil, electronical, and mechanical fields, healthcare workers like doctors and nurses, finance experts like accountants, academics and researchers, skilled trades workers including electricians and welders, project managers in IT, construction and engineering, marketing and business professionals. Now, let's see what requirements you need to qualify for this visa. To qualify for this visa, you need valid US H-1B visa at the time of application, at least 1 year of work experience in the US under H-1B status, proof of current employment in the US like job offer letter, recent pay stub, or contract, minimum of 3 years of work experience in the specialized field, clean criminal record, medical exam results if required by Canadian immigration, and application fees paid at the time of submission. After you prepared all these requirements, you should apply for the Canada H-1B visa. But how to do that? To complete your application, you need to check your eligibility by visiting the official Canada immigration site to ensure you meet all the requirements. Gather key documents including your passport, proof of H-1B visa, job offer, pay stubs, and educational record. Create an account on this website and fill out the application form with accurate details about your job, work history, education, and H-1B status. Upload your documents like your passport, H-1B proof, and job verification through the online system. Pay the application fee, which is around 151 Canadian dollar plus 85 Canadian dollar for biometrics if needed. Submit your application online and save the confirmation number for tracking. Provide biometrics, which include fingerprints and a photo, if requested by immigration authorities. Wait for processing and check the status of your application online. And finally, receive your permit by an email once it's approved. Want to boost your chance for Canada H-1B visa program but don't know what to do? I'll tell you that. First, you need to tailor your achievements and relevant skills. Then get certifications like PMP or AWS for competitive edge. Showcase soft skills like teamwork and problem solving. Polish language skills in English or French. Network with professionals through LinkedIn or job fairs. Research employers and customize application. And finally, highlight your global experience to show your adaptability. Applying for Canada H-1B visa program is simple. Just follow these steps, submit your documents, and wait for approval. Once approved, you can start working and living in Canada. It's a great chance to grow your career and enjoy a better life. Canada is ready for you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and check the description for a free consultation. Hope you enjoyed the video. Love you. Bye-bye.